As men enter their 40s, maintaining an active lifestyle becomes crucial, but certain overlooked mistakes can hinder progress and lead to unnecessary setbacks. While most focus on well-known issues like lifting too heavy or skipping warm-ups, there are other factors that can significantly impact overall fitness. By addressing these lesser-discussed workout mistakes, men over 40 can optimize their routines, improve performance, and avoid injuries. Let's explore 6 common mistakes and how to fix them. Number 1. Avoiding single-leg or unilateral exercises. As we age, balance and stability naturally decline, yet many men over 40 neglect single-leg or unilateral exercises such as lunges, step-ups, or single-leg Romanian deadlifts. These exercises are key for strengthening stabilizing muscles, which help maintain proper form during other movements like squats or deadlifts. By skipping them, you risk developing muscle imbalances and joint instability, which can ultimately lead to injury. Unilateral exercises help correct imbalances by forcing each side of the body to work independently, improving coordination and stability. They also promote better posture and joint health, preventing common issues such as knee pain or lower back discomfort. To improve your fitness routine, try adding exercises like Bulgarian split squats or single-leg deadlifts, which will not only boost stability, but also enhance muscle engagement. Number 2. Overlooking thoracic spine mobility. Many men over 40 unknowingly suffer from a stiff thoracic spine, which can lead to poor posture and compensation during exercises like rows and overhead presses. A restricted thoracic spine limits range of motion and increases the risk of shoulder and lower back injuries. This is particularly problematic as the body tends to naturally adopt poor posture with age, resulting in rounded shoulders or a hunched back. Improving thoracic spine mobility should be a priority. Simple exercises, such as thoracic rotations, foam rolling, or the cat-cow stretch, can dramatically improve spinal flexibility. When done regularly, these movements not only help maintain a neutral spine, but also enhance upper body strength and improve posture, allowing for better performance in other exercises while reducing injury risk. Number 3. Relying on high-impact cardio. Cardiovascular health is essential, but high-impact cardio exercises like running and plyometrics can be tough on aging joints. The repetitive impact from running can accelerate wear on the knees, hips, and spine, leading to long-term issues such as arthritis or joint pain. High-impact workouts also put extra strain on muscles and tendons, which may already be more susceptible to injury as you age. To protect your joints while maintaining cardiovascular fitness, switch to low-impact alternatives such as swimming, cycling, or rowing. These activities are gentler on the joints but still offer an excellent cardiovascular workout. If running is your preferred exercise, consider limiting it to fewer sessions per week and opting for softer surfaces like grass or trails. This will reduce the repetitive stress on your joints and help prevent injury. Number 4. Not adjusting reps and tempo. Many men over 40 stick to the same rep ranges and speed for their workouts, but as we age, slowing down the tempo and adjusting reps can have a significant impact. Faster movements during exercises such as squats or deadlifts often sacrifice muscle engagement and increase the likelihood of poor form. Instead of rushing through reps, slowing down the eccentric, lowering phase can allow for better muscle activation and reduce strain on the joints. For example, taking 3 seconds to lower into a squat and 1 second to rise is a simple yet effective strategy. This technique maximizes muscle time under tension, leading to better muscle growth and strength gains without overloading the joints. Incorporating tempo training into your routine can enhance your overall strength, reduce injury risk, and make your workouts more effective. Number 5. Underestimating the importance of breathing techniques. Breathing plays a vital role in maintaining stability and proper form, yet many overlook it during intense workouts. Poor breathing techniques can compromise core engagement, leading to a weak core, instability, and even dizziness. This is particularly important when performing heavy lifts or compound movements like squats, deadlifts, or overhead presses. Practicing diaphragmatic breathing, where you breathe deeply into your diaphragm rather than shallow chest breathing, can greatly improve core stability. Exhaling during the exertion phase of an exercise, for example when lifting or pushing, and inhaling during the lowering phase ensures you're bracing effectively, maintaining control and preventing unnecessary strain. Number 6. Neglecting foot and ankle strength. The feet and ankles provide the foundation for all movements, but they are often neglected in training routines. Weak feet and ankles can affect balance and reduce the power generated during lifts, while also contributing to knee or hip issues. This is especially important as men over 40 begin to experience reduced flexibility and strength in the lower extremities. Incorporating foot and ankle strengthening exercises into your routine is essential for overall stability. Toe curls, calf raises, and exercises that challenge balance, such as standing on an unstable surface, can improve ankle mobility and support better performance in other lifts. Stronger feet and ankles lead to improved balance, power, and injury prevention. In conclusion, staying fit and healthy after 40 requires more than just lifting weights or doing cardio. It's about maintaining functional movement, joint health, and stability. By focusing on lesser-known mistakes and incorporating strategies to correct them, men over 40 can build a more sustainable and effective fitness routine. Whether it's strengthening your feet and ankles, improving thoracic spine mobility, or adjusting your tempo, these small changes can make a big difference. Fine-tune your workouts with these tips and enjoy a more injury-free, productive fitness journey in your 40s and beyond. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And be sure to check out our other videos and playlists for more insightful contents as well. See you soon.